Okay, Weirdos, it's that time of the year where we gotta do a deep clean of the EVIL Lair, see how many memories we can find, and rejoice in some of the things that we were able to make here, and make anticipations for next year. So, thanks for swinging by. Let's get this place cleaned up and see what we can find.
Wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo. Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Let's go. Yeah. I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it. Fuse like a magnet, lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shoot tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes.
Alright, Weirdos, that's it. We got a semi-clean EVIL Lair. Got a new year coming. It's going to be awesome. We got some things we're going to add here to the EVIL Lair. Got some projects in mind, especially the big one this year at the end of the month. Apparently I found out I'm going to be a grandfather. I'm going to have a grandson, and I believe everybody needs their own little working station. Yeah, it's a little early, but I'll be honest with you, I couldn't be more excited going into 2024. So definitely keep those ideas coming, guys. If there's somebody out there that needs something, wants something made, definitely comment down below. Let me know. Don't forget Coffee Brand Coffee. It's kind of what pays for the scrap and stuff that I buy here, so I can make you all things. That would be really cool. I'd appreciate that. But yeah, I'm gonna be a grandpa. I want to cry, but I'm not going to. All right, guys. I'll see you next month. We're gonna build somebody that's not even here yet their first own little workstation. I'm just chomping at the bit on this one. See you guys soon. Bye.